In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account on iPhone. It's very simple and easy, so let's begin. First you need to open up Snapchat application and get in your profile. Just click on that profile icon at the top left, and here you need to tap on the gear icon here at the top right. And then scroll down to the very bottom to find this option, delete account. Tap here, and here I need to enter my login and password of Snapchat. I have made it already, and there you should know one more thing. If you will type in password and press continue, your account will be deactivated, which means that friends wouldn't be able to contact you on Snapchat for 30 days. And after 30 days, your account will be deleted. And if you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log in to the Snapchat using your username and your password. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.